Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Century 21 marketing step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary materials related to Century 21 marketing. This may include promotional images, branding guidelines, and any pre-existing marketing content. Next, familiarize yourself with the tools and platforms you'll be using for deployment. Access the Century 21 marketing portal and sign in with your account credentials. Navigate to the marketing section of the portal. Review the available templates and resources tailored to your needs. Choose the most relevant templates that align with your overall marketing strategy. Customize the selected templates by adding your personal branding elements, such as your name and contact information. Ensure that images and graphics are appropriately sized and resolution optimized for high-quality display. Incorporate engaging copy that highlights your services and appeals to your target audience. Check for any compliance standards set by Century 21 to ensure all materials meet branding requirements. Once you've completed the customization, save your work in the designated format. Next, prepare to deploy your marketing materials across your chosen channels. Consider your primary channels, such as social media, email newsletters, or direct mail. Schedule your posts or emails for strategic times to maximize engagement. Double-check all content for accuracy, grammar, and spelling before finalizing. After deployment, monitor the performance of your marketing materials closely. Use analytics tools to track engagement and response rates from your audience. Gather feedback from your clients and adjust your approach as needed. Continuously refine your marketing strategy based on the data and insights you collect. By following these steps, you can effectively deploy Century 21 marketing to strengthen your outreach efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.